Listen up, everyone. I'm not here to waste your time. Content creators are quietly building YouTube empires without touching a camera or opening an editing software, generating substantial monthly income through complete AI automation. I'm about to reveal their exact playbook. This particular YouTube channel is pulling in over $9,000 monthly by posting straightforward YouTube content. Hold on, this rings a bell, doesn't it? You've likely encountered these types of videos during your YouTube browsing sessions. If you haven't, here's the situation. Several months back, a revolutionary approach for producing YouTube Shorts surfaced. It exploded across the platform, with countless YouTubers creating content around this technique. Here's what happened though. Every single creator demonstrated the identical method using the same reference channel for their examples. Additionally, they were all focused on psychology facts content. This can't be mere coincidence, correct? Honestly speaking, that particular content format dominated for a period, delivering remarkable success to the pioneers in that space. The landscape shifted dramatically as increasing numbers of creators jumped into producing similar fact-based shorts. This created intense competition, making it extremely challenging for newcomers to break through and replicate those initial results. Furthermore, achieving YouTube monetization with that content style has become nearly impossible. What's interesting is that nobody explored applying this potent AI methodology in more innovative directions. I decided to take ownership of developing an enhanced version that leverages the successful elements from before while elevating everything significantly. I'll continue utilizing ChatGPT and Canva for this process, but the content I'm developing this time will completely transform the game. When this video concludes, you'll possess your own faceless YouTube channel that's genuinely monetizable, constructed entirely on AI automation. I'm discussing the creation of 3 months worth of YouTube Shorts simultaneously. That's just the beginning. I'll show you how to program this AI to produce all your titles, descriptions, and hashtags automatically. Everything you need. Prepare yourself, because I'm about to present the proof. Here's a YouTube channel specializing in quiz and riddle content. These videos are accumulating millions of views. Their viral success stems from a simple principle. They maintain viewer engagement and curiosity throughout each quiz or riddle. This dramatically boosts video watch time. The engagement levels in these videos surpass other content types because viewers must concentrate completely on solving the challenges. Simply examine the comments section to understand how passionately people respond to these videos. Now let's tackle the obvious question. Is this channel actually monetized? Here's a useful technique for you. Copy any video link and input it into a YouTube monetization verification website, then press enter. When you see monetized displayed, that confirms the channel's monetization status. This channel generates approximately $60,000 annually based on Social Blade data. From my personal experience owning channels, I can verify that earnings typically match or surpass the higher projections. I've completed the groundwork, researching and perfecting a system that enables effortless, time-efficient video production. Here's our strategy. Instead of creating lengthy videos, we'll concentrate on Shorts format. YouTube now monetizes Shorts, and according to Forbes, the platform is actively promoting this format, giving them excellent viral potential. Modern audiences also gravitate toward short-form content. Now, before we proceed, please like this video, subscribe to the channel to support its growth, and join my Telegram channel where you'll find all the prompts I utilize in my videos. Link is in the description. Our initial objective involves creating riddles. We'll launch ChatGPT for this task. It's always smart to show gratitude. Who knows, perhaps someday AI might evolve into Ultron and dominate the world. With this approach, you might secure an excellent position as an AI assistant when that moment arrives. If we simply request ChatGPT to provide riddles for solving, the output might appear like this. However, effective prompting makes all the difference. Here's my approach. Act as a renowned riddles expert. Your task is to create 5 quick and interesting riddles for your audience to solve. The riddles should be easy enough to engage and entertain the participants. Each riddle should have 3 options with only 1 correct answer. Please follow the table format provided below to present your riddles. Then I'll establish the desired format and supply an appropriate example. Let's observe what ChatGPT delivers. It typically performs excellently. Occasionally, ChatGPT exhibits some inconsistencies. If you prefer an alternative, Google's Bard AI works as well. For now, I'll continue with our conversational companion. Here's the plan. I'm requesting 300 riddles initially. After we have our comprehensive riddle collection, you can transfer everything into a Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel file for organization. The second phase is straightforward and requires only 2 seconds. Simply click on Create Video. Let's begin with the background. Click the Elements tab and search for your preferred background video type. Now, copy the text from the first column and paste it into the template. You can modify the text size. If you want the text in all capitals, click here and select your preferred font style. To improve text visibility, let's include a text background. Choose the square shape, adjust its dimensions, and select your preferred color. If the background seems too bright, we can overlay black and adjust the opacity to your preference. To position the text on top, right-click the shape, select Layers, and choose Send to Back. Excellent, everyone. Return to ChatGPT and retrieve the next riddle. Paste it in, then choose a font and size that complements your design. Now we need a small illustration. How about a figure pointing upward? That could work perfectly. Amazing. Using Canva, we can even remove the background for a cleaner appearance. Much improved. Let's incorporate some movement to make it truly engaging. Click Animations and explore the options to find what matches your style. Apply an animation to every screen element. This feature allows us to control when each element appears or disappears. Let's return and copy the next riddle section. Position it here and ensure it's appropriately sized. This section requires a background as well. Click on Effects and select this option. It automatically adjusts to the text size. Then modify its screen timing. Let's add animation to this section too. Now repeat this identical process for all 3 answer options in your riddle. To duplicate any screen element, simply click and drag while holding the Alt key. Ensure new elements only appear after previous ones vanish. Here's our progress so far. To maintain viewer engagement, I'm adding another animation to these elements. Now, let's include a timer for additional excitement. Select any timer you prefer and adjust its timing appropriately. It's time to add the final puzzle piece. Repeat the same process for the answer section. In moments, you'll witness the fantastic result of our amazing riddle, and here it is. Something seems to be missing, right? Music. You're absolutely correct. You're becoming more knowledgeable just by watching my videos, aren't you? But there's an issue. If you select Canva's music, you might face copyright problems. My recommendation is to invest some time finding royalty-free music from the YouTube Music Library and upload it here. Now let's add one final element before I show the final result. So here's what our shorts look like. The fourth phase is where genuine magic occurs. In this section, I'll demonstrate how to automate the remaining process. Scroll down slightly and click on Apps, then search for Bulk Create. However, note that accessing this tool requires a paid Canva subscription. Don't worry though, you can obtain a 30-day trial subscription completely free and cancel anytime without cost once you've utilized it sufficiently. This is the Bulk Create tool interface. Click on Enter Data manually, then click Create Table. Return to ChatGPT and copy 30 rows including the titles. Then click here and paste them into the table. Now pay careful attention to this essential step. Right-click on the title and select Connect Data. We must link each data point to its corresponding text element on the screen. You'll soon understand the importance. For instance, if this represents the body text, you must select the body from the Connect Data list. After you've connected all data points to their matching text elements, they'll display as checked like this. Now, click Continue and then select Generate. Abracadabra. In mere seconds, you'll have 30 shorts prepared for you. But there's more. I selected only 30 shorts this time to ensure we don't create identical visuals for everything. Let's return to the template and modify the background and colors for the next batch. And there you have it, our next collection of YouTube Shorts completely ready for your faceless YouTube channel with full AI automation. To download the Shorts, simply click here and ensure this option is selected before pressing the download button. The fifth phase involves creating your faceless YouTube channel and uploading these shorts using AI. Since this video has already extended considerably, I'll trust your capability to establish a YouTube channel independently. There are 3 essential elements you must address: the title, description, and tags. Yes, they absolutely matter. To achieve this, I'll return to ChatGPT and input this prompt, directing it to create all 3 simultaneously, tailored to the topic you specify. Simply copy and paste all 3 into YouTube alongside your shorts. After completing all required steps, press the publish button. Also, please like this video and subscribe, because I'll be presenting AI content that nobody else discusses on YouTube. Remember, consistency remains crucial, and I strongly encourage you to perform your own research and experiment with more creative concepts using this AI automation method. Thank you tremendously for watching until the conclusion. With that said, join my Telegram channel for all the prompts used. Subscribe.